In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document from a template in Google Drive. This is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to streamline your workflow and save time by using pre-designed formats for various types of documents. Whether it's a business letter, a project proposal, or a personal resume, these templates can help give your documents a professional touch without the need for design expertise. Let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly create documents using Google Drive templates. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. You can go directly to drive.google.com, which will bring you to your main Drive dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a wide array of folders and files that you have previously accessed or created. Google Drive offers a seamless interface with all your documents readily accessible at your fingertips. Now take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a colourful New button. This button is your gateway to creating anything new within Google Drive, such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Go ahead and click on this New button. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing all the various file types you can create. For our purposes, we want to use Google Docs, so hover your cursor over the Google Docs option. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see an arrow pointing to the right indicating that there are more options to explore. This brings us to the next step. Click on From a Template. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this option, you are given access to a variety of templates tailor-made for different purposes. Whether you are drafting a business proposal, organizing a team meeting agenda, or even putting together a party invite, these templates are designed to simplify your tasks and keep you focused on the content rather than the format. Now you'll see a new tab open which directs you to the gallery of Google Docs templates. You can browse through these templates displayed on your screen and choose the one that best suits your needs. When you find a template that you like, simply click on it. Upon clicking, a new document will open up, modeled after the template you have just selected. This document is now fully customizable, allowing you to edit the text, incorporate your data, and adjust the layout to whatever fits your needs best. You can now start typing away and personalize it to your liking. With that, you've successfully created a document from a template in Google Drive. These templates are a wonderful way to standardize your documentation and save precious time, making your workspace more efficient and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore the myriad of templates available for all your future projects.